Founder and president of the Scrim Corporation.
Alright, and there you guys go. I'm sure everybody wants to see a stock Hyundai Sonata 0 to 60, but there it is for the record.